How to open Instagram links in the app with iPhone mirroring. If you want Instagram links to open directly in the Instagram app while using iPhone mirroring on your Mac, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, make sure iPhone mirroring is connected and your iPhone is unlocked and ready to use. Next, open iPhone mirroring on your Mac. Now, when you receive or click an Instagram link in a supported app on your Mac, choose to open it with iPhone mirroring if you're prompted. The link will be sent to your mirrored iPhone, and the Instagram app will open automatically instead of loading the website in a browser. If Instagram doesn't open automatically, make sure the Instagram app is installed on your iPhone and that you're signed into your account. You should also check that your iPhone and Mac are signed in with the same Apple account and that iPhone mirroring is working properly. Once everything is set up, you can open Instagram posts, profiles, reels, and other links directly in the Instagram app while continuing to control your iPhone from your Mac. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.